Well, let's get you this breaking update where we are learning that FIR has now been filed against Mamata Banerjee over alleged communal remarks during a political dharna ahead of the assembly elections. Now, what is being said that the resident from Kolkata has filed this written complaint with the police requesting to register FIR alleging that the rally speech could promote communal disharmony and public unrest. So this is legal action that has now been sought against former West Bengal Chief Minister and the Trinamool Congress chief over alleged inflammatory and communal remarks that she made during a political event just ahead of the assembly election. So Rajesh, take us through the details, what we are now learning as far as what does this complaint say. But according to the complainant, that has now been taken up with the Netaji Nagar police station and South Kolkata. It has now been alleged that a certain statement that was made by Mamata Banerjee, Rajesh, during a public meeting was capable of creating fear and misunderstanding and amongst different communities in the state of West Bengal. Details, please, Rajesh.
Yes, absolutely. You would remember former Chief Minister and TMC Supremo Mamata Banerjee held a dharna just ahead of the assembly election at a Y channel in central Kolkata area. During that political dharna, Mamata Banerjee allegedly made some controversial remarks. It was allegedly some communal remarks also, and following which it was made on 3rd of May while Mamata Banerjee was conducting a dharna against SIR. And a resident of Basduni area, namely Tushar Kanti Das, had filed a written complaint against Mamata Banerjee stating that her political and communal remarks can disbalance the communal harmony and the public.
So trouble seems to be mounting for Mamata Banerjee as far as internally within the party, and what has now been said that this complaint that has now been taken up by a Kolkata residents who believe that Mamata Banerjee was indulging in a rally speech that could purport communal disharmony and public unrest before the assembly elections. Rajesh, thank you very much. Heading into a short break.